Have you ever known someone, or have you ever inquired from someone, maybe even on a social media platform, on what online businesses they were doing and how you yourself can get started on that business? I tell you, those people are more secretive than the Secret Service. Let me tell you a bit of a story. Back in 2020, when there was COVID, I wanted to venture into the online business world, but I didn't know what to do. I had just closed up my shop, and you remember there was lockdowns and everything, and I was in the house, and I thought, my God, in this house the only thing I have is the internet, so what is it that I can do? And I didn't know where to start. I went on a wild goose chase. I did surveys, I did watch YouTube ads due for money. I tried so many things, and I really didn't know where to start from. I had a friend who I knew was working online, and let me say friend in quotes. I asked her, where can I start? What can I do? What is it that you do? Help me, please. And let me tell you, up to today, that message is still unanswered. Niliachua kwa blue ticks. So lately, I've been seeing on these online streets, especially on Facebook, on so many groups, people asking, hey, you people who are always saying you're working online, what is it that you're doing? And barely do people really come forth and see what they're doing. People always beating around the bush, like, oh, you cannot manage, oh, it is very hard. Hey, someone asked you what you're doing, so please just tell them what you're doing. Don't go into it's very hard, it's very this, it's very the other. So today I want to tell you guys, you're my people, you're my family. At the end of the day, the important thing for us is to eradicate poverty. And these online businesses or these online jobs, no one can do them all by themselves. There are so many, and there are so many opportunities that even being selfish with them and not sharing with the world is not going to make you earn so much that you will be the richest. It cannot work. The opportunities are too many. And so, my lovely family, today I want to tell you about 5 online businesses that I myself am doing this year in 2024. Most of these businesses I've been doing for the past 2 years, and they're businesses that you yourself can start on. I'm doing these businesses in Kenya. I invested no money. Most of these companies are in the US, and you yourself can be able to do them. You will not become a millionaire, let nobody lie to you, but you will be able to earn passive income if you work hard at them. So hi guys, my name is Fiona, and if you're new to the channel, you're welcome. In this channel, this is our business channel. We find out and we explore different ways in which we can make money, whether it's online, in businesses, physical businesses. So if this is something that you might be interested in learning this year, please do hit the subscribe button. So the first business that I will be doing this year, and that I have been doing for the past 2 years, is I have been making books and selling them on Amazon KDP. KDP means Kindle Direct Publishing. Now, I make these books on an app called Canva. I make these books on Canva, and I also use a website called Creative Fabrica, where I can get templates for my books, and these books are simple to create. When I started, I only started with making notebooks and journals, very simple books, lined books, and this is one of my most favorite businesses because within my first month of making my book, I made my first book in February 2021. And by March or about April 2021, I had made my first sale, and I was a newbie. I didn't know what I was doing. I didn't know nothing. So this is a really good business. Let no one tell you that Amazon is saturated. It is saturated, but there are also many customers. Per month, Amazon says that they sell over 42 million books. So even if there are 4 million KDP writers, there are still 42 million books that are bought. So That's a very good business, and you can do it in Kenya. It's free to sign up, free to create your books. There's a free Canva subscription where you can make your books for free, and you can also download free stuff from Creative Fabrica. And I'm going to leave a link down in the description where they can give you a 1 month free, where you can create unlimited, not just the free templates. You get completely free templates, all of them, even the pro ones, the ones that are paid for, so that you can be able to create some good books, and you can download these templates and use them later. If you have a desktop where you can have space, download these things, then later on you can be using them slowly by slowly. The second online business that I am doing this year and that I have been doing is an Amazon affiliate marketer. I affiliate products from Amazon. I also do this here in Kenya. I did not use any money to sign up to be an Amazon affiliate. It's completely free. I used a free website called Kit where you can upload these products that you're promoting, and I use my social media to promote these products. You can take pictures directly from the Amazon platform, you can take videos directly from the Amazon platform, or you can take videos from TikTokers. You can go on TikTok and search for Amazon finds in whatever area you are in. If you're in the beauty area, if you're in the fashion industry, whatever it is that you like, you can go and get these videos on TikTok. Just make sure you credit the owner of the video so that you're not hit with copyright infringements. So credit the owners of the videos and share these videos on your platform, and you will be able to earn something. Amazon does not pay too much for the affiliate program, but it is pretty simple. It's one of the ones I've stuck with because it's simple, I understand it, and people trust Amazon. So people will buy from Amazon other than promoting sites that people don't know about and that they may not be able to trust and go and buy stuff from. Okay, the third online business that I will be doing this year is I will be selling my merchandise. I create merchandise like this and I sell them on my social media. Also, I create these merchandise on my Canva, and I still get templates from Creative Fabrica or from Canva, and I put them on the Printify website for free. They don't charge me anything, and I sell them on my Shopify. You can have Shopify at $1 per month, and if you feel like you cannot afford $1 the moment you're just starting, want something that is completely free, there are websites that are free, and you can upload your merchandise there, just like an e-commerce website where someone can go and pay for it. You will need a PayPal account where people will be able to pay you from, because with Printify the customer pays you, then you pay the company, and they make the merchandise. You can make mugs, t-shirts, pillows, anything that you fancy. The fourth online business I'm doing is growing a Pinterest page. You might wonder, what will a Pinterest page benefit you from? Now, this Pinterest page is where I promote these products I'm telling you about. These affiliate links, these merchandise, I promote them on this Pinterest page. Now I'm growing my Pinterest page slowly. As you can see right now, I'm at 6K followers, and I get about 1 million plus views a month. This Pinterest page, as you can see, I'm not showing my face. It is not my personal page. This is a theme page. A theme page is where you have a theme for that page. The theme for this page is inspirational. This is an inspirational page for women. And I love this page because I not only get to inspire women, I love posting quotes and things like that, but it also really helps me when it comes to promoting my products. When it comes to promoting my books that I create on Amazon, I post them here. When it comes to promoting my merchandise that I create on Printify, I post them here. And when it comes to me promoting my affiliate programs or my affiliate products, I promote them here. And as you can see, if more than 1.2 million people view my page a month, and let's say only 0.1% of that number actually goes and buys my product or goes and views my product, even if only 100 of these people a month will buy from me, then I am okay. So Pinterest is a really good platform to build yourself. Look at it as a business. Don't look at it as just for fun, just to go and save pictures. Pinterest can help you scale. And with Pinterest, it doesn't matter where you are. As you can see, my demographic is mostly in the US, UK, Canada. It's not even people who are in Kenya. So Pinterest is really good to grow your links, to grow your business, any other business that you might be thinking of. Even if none of the ones I've mentioned here, you can actually promote them on Pinterest. So don't sleep on Pinterest. People still don't know this, but Pinterest is a really good platform. And actually, a lot of people go on Pinterest to shop. So if you're promoting things that people need to buy, or you're promoting things that you're selling, Pinterest is the best place. And especially if you're selling products that are in the US. And with digital products, just in case you're wondering, you don't need to have these products with you. The only thing that you yourself are selling is your design. These companies, they make these products and they ship these products to their customers. When you're making books on Amazon, you're not making these books and then printing these books. You have a physical book. No, you are selling the design of this book. And this design is what will be on the Amazon platform. Or this design is what will be on your Printify platform. This t-shirt design, this pillow design. So people will actually be buying your design. And then when they purchase the design, the company, this is what is called print on demand. They print once the customer has ordered. So once you put these products on the platform and people order, the company is going to print these products and ship them to your buyers. And that's how you make your kaching, your money. Yes. And last but not least, the other online business I'm doing this year, as you can see, I'm doing YouTube. Okay, I just sounded so funny. Anyway, yes, I'm doing YouTube. And thank you for being here. YouTube has been a dream of mine. I've always wanted to do YouTube, and I wanted to do YouTube to help people know how to make money. I have been in a place where I have been struggling financially, and I know how hard it is. It breaks my heart when I see young girls, when I see young men out here and people not knowing what to do. I have been in that situation. I know how depressing it is. I have been there. And so I was really passionate about God. I want to help people. I want to show people how they can make money. Hakuna kitu mbaya ka kusota kwa hii dunia. Una feelingi tu life haibambi, people hate you, ama ni kuimagine unaimaginingi people hate you, I don't know, but it's just depressing, my people. I know how depressing it is. And so I was really passionate about doing YouTube. And yes, as much as I'm passionate about doing YouTube, YouTube is a business. There are so many people on YouTube who are making money. And so I want to also tell you, don't sleep on YouTube. You don't have to do YouTube and show your face. There are so many faceless YouTube channels. Actually, my first YouTube channel was a faceless one, and it was just for motivation. And you can also do this, and it doesn't have to be motivation. You can create a facts channel. You can create whatever it is that you're interested in, whatever it is that you're passionate about. You can see, you have seen so many young people benefiting on YouTube here in Kenya. So don't sleep on YouTube. There's no one who is special that they deserve to be on YouTube more than you. There's no one who is more educated ama sijui nini that they deserve to be on YouTube more than you. There's another guy I follow, he's called sijui Uncle Tom or something. This guy, he just shows videos of himself farming in his farm. Sometimes ana farm, sometimes hata sile wangu anadu, but I just find myself watching, and believe you me, this guy has over 10,000 subscribers, so you better believe he is earning something from YouTube. So why can't you not do it? There's nothing that you cannot upload on YouTube. Of course, don't upload dirty things, explicit things, because they will demonetize you. You will not earn anything from it. Just create good content and God will bless you and your tribe will find you. Wewe ni wakushona, create your videos ukishona, your tribe will find you. Wakikuja kuona venye unashona na wajue hata au uwafundishe. You're good at cooking, your tribe will find you there cooking. You are just learning how to cook, your tribe will find you there learning, and they will come to learn with you. So there's so much you can do on YouTube. So these are 5 online businesses that I am doing this year and that you yourself can do. And there's a difference between online businesses and online jobs. Online jobs are jobs like article writing, virtual assistant. There's so many, and we will also explore them in the months to come or in the days to come. But right now, I just wanted to tell you people about things that I myself am doing. Acha nisikuambie yenye mwingine anafanya. These are things that me myself am doing. These are things that have not made me a millionaire, but I have earned money from them. I have earned some passive income from them, and I'm not stopping anytime. And you should join the journey. It is never too late. Start today. Who knows where this journey will take you? So thank you for staying with me so far. If you benefited from this video, or if you learned something new that you didn't know about, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. Let's take this journey together. Love you. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Have a wonderful day.